Hey everyone, today we're gonna learn how to draw Pikachu. So we're gonna draw his eyes first. That is 2 circles. And we're gonna color it in black. We're gonna leave a little bit white in it for cute reflection. And these are his cheeks. So we draw in his head first. That's the other cheek, which will be colored in later. For his nose, you can do triangular shape and of course smiley mouth. So we're gonna leave space for his ears and then draw top of his head. Leave spaces on both sides. So these are his ears, and the tip of them will be colored in black later. Second ear, it's not in same angle. And also mark off the end tip. So we're drawing his body now. This is his arm first. With 5 fingers. Second arm. So this is his body. Most of it is rounded. That's his feet. And mark off the toes. Only 2 lines each. Now we are marking off the pattern and we are ready to draw his tail, his electric tail. After we finished drawing his tail, we're gonna fast forward for coloring in. And that's it. We are ready for coloring. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.